Chevrolet Corvette C1, the American dream on wheels. If there ever was a car that encapsulated the post-war, soda-fizzing, rock-and-rolling spirit of America, it's the Chevrolet Corvette C1. Unveiled in 1953, this was Chevrolet's answer to European sports cars. And by Jove, what an answer it was. Here was a machine that smacked of youthful exuberance and bold innovation, a car as elegant as it was audacious. The Corvette C1 is an absolute feast for the eyes, a symphony of curves and chrome that looks as though it was crafted by angels with a penchant for speed. Its styling is so timelessly beautiful it could make a grown man weep. Picture it: a long swooping bonnet, bold toothy grille, and tail fins that seem ready to take flight. If Marilyn Monroe were a car, she'd be a Corvette C1, all glamour, all allure, and impossible to ignore. Beneath the bonnet, the early C1s weren't all that spectacular. A 150 horsepower, 3.9-liter inline-six engine left it a bit lackluster off the line. But come 1955, Chevrolet blessed the Corvette with the legendary small-block V8. With the 4.3-liter, 265 cubic inch engine pushing out 195 horsepower, the Corvette could finally pounce like the automotive panther it was destined to be. Later models offered even more grunt, with power figures climbing like rock and roll hits up the charts. The driving experience of a Corvette C1 is an endeavor in joyous chaos. The engine's growl is as intoxicating as any orchestral symphony, the acceleration pressing you back into those sumptuous leather seats. However, let's not kid ourselves. The early C1s are more about presence than precision. Steering is as vague as a politician's promise, and the handling? Best described as entertaining rather than enthralling. But what it lacks in agility, it more than makes up for in sheer charisma. Step inside, and the Corvette C1 continues to dazzle. The interior is a testament to American optimism and excess. It's a riot of chrome-laden dials, luxurious leather, and design quirks that make modern cars look like plastic shoeboxes. The seats are wide, more akin to armchairs, and every dial and switch seems to whisper tales of Route 66 and open highways. The Corvette C1 wasn't just about looks and speed. It was a cultural icon. It graced the silver screen, became a symbol of American ingenuity, and was the dream car pinned to countless teenagers' bedroom walls. This wasn't merely transport. It was romance on wheels, an embodiment of an era when cars had style and substance. However, the C1 wasn't all sunshine and road trips. Early models faced issues such as leaky roof seals and less than ideal build quality. But these niggles hardly dampened the spirit of a car that became the cornerstone of the American sports car industry. The Corvette C1 laid the foundation for generations of Corvettes to come, cars that would continue to push the boundaries of performance and design. In the end, the Chevrolet Corvette C1 is more than a car. It's a legend. It's the embodiment of the American dream, where anything is possible with a bit of daring and a lot of horsepower. If you ever get the chance to sit behind the wheel, do it. Relish every roar of that V8, every admiring glance from passersby, and know you're driving a piece of history. Loved our ride through the golden era with the Chevrolet Corvette C1? Smash that like button, subscribe to Auto Icons, and tell us your favorite classic car story in the comments. Stay tuned for more trips down the luxurious lanes of automotive history.